Welcome to our comprehensive guide on intermittent fasting. This popular eating pattern is all about timing your meals rather than focusing solely on what you eat. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, you can improve your health, lose weight, and simplify your lifestyle. How intermittent fasting works. Intermittent fasting involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, which makes it easier for your body to burn stored fat. Additionally, your body goes through a cellular repair process called autophagy, where it removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This process not only aids in weight loss, but also enhances metabolic health and brain function. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits. Weight loss. By reducing the number of meals, you naturally lower your calorie intake. The drop in insulin levels during fasting periods also helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Improved metabolic health. Fasting can lower blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced brain function. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, which supports brain health and cognitive function. Cellular repair and longevity. The process of autophagy helps remove damaged cells, potentially protecting against diseases and promoting longevity. Popular methods of intermittent fasting. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own schedule. 16/8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, such as from noon to 8 p.m. 5/2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days of the week, and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Eat fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day, eating little to no calories on fasting days. Getting started with intermittent fasting. Starting intermittent fasting can be simple. Choose a method. Pick a method that suits your lifestyle. The 16/8 method is a good starting point for beginners. Plan your schedule. Establish a consistent eating and fasting routine. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, and black coffee during fasting periods. Eat balanced meals. Focus on nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates during your eating window. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your fasting schedule if necessary. Common mistakes to avoid. Overeating during eating windows. Keep your meals balanced and avoid binging. Choosing unhealthy foods. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods over junk food. Ignoring hunger signals. If you feel unwell or overly tired, it's important to listen to your body and make necessary adjustments. Motivation and coaching tips. Intermittent fasting is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your health and well-being. Stay motivated by setting clear goals and tracking your progress. Remember, it's normal to experience challenges at the beginning. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to the process. Join a community or find a fasting buddy to share your journey and keep you accountable. Embrace intermittent fasting with a positive mindset. Focus on the benefits and listen to your body's needs. This lifestyle change can help you develop a healthier relationship with food, free from constant hunger and guilt. Enjoy the flexibility that intermittent fasting offers and tailor it to fit your unique lifestyle and preferences. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting is a powerful and flexible way to improve your health and manage your weight. By understanding the principles behind it and choosing a method that fits your lifestyle, you can experience the numerous benefits it offers. Start slowly, stay committed, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, more balanced life.